Hi folks! Want to eat a delicious seafood dish but yet not want to burn a hole in your pocket? Try out this delicious seafood stew with glass noodles. Unlike meat stew, seafood stew do not need a lot of time to cook. This recipe is a keeper if you are a seafood fan. Look at the slippery, smooth glass noodles soaked with seafood sauce. Here are the ingredients. Not a hard dish to cook if you can get hold of fresh seafood and watch not to overcook the seafood. Soft-shell clams, also known as Lala locally, are used in this recipe. Remove the impurities and sand from the clams by soaking in salt water. Remember to scrub the shell and soak in water again. Fresh scallops are hard to come by. Frozen ones will do. Thaw the scallops in advance. Next, devein the prawns, but keep the shells and heads on. I tried using a toothpick to remove the veins and it really works. Just bend the head forward and then pick out the veins from the gap. You can use alternative approaches as well, but remember the key is to keep the shell and the head. Rinse and soak glass noodles in tap water till soft. You can use warm water to speed up the process. Clean up the Chinese leeks as it usually comes with some soil or dirt. If Chinese leeks are not available, any other leeks works fine as well. Cut off the roots and discard. Remove any withered outer leaves. Cut and keep the dark green parts for making soup stock. Slice up the tender lower part of the leaves. Next, mince the garlic and then julienne the ginger. Before cooking, discard water and rinse the clams. Check that the glass noodles are soft and then drain all water. When the scallops are fully thawed, rinse them with water. Find a deep white clay pot or pan. Turn on medium to high heat. Add some cooking oil. Here I am using lard, a good unrefined fat, but eat in moderation though. When the oil is heated, add in ginger. Let the ginger sizzle in the oil for a while and then add garlic. Fry till fragrant. Take care not to burn the garlic. Time to add in leeks. I love leeks. They add extra oomph to the sauce in stews. Stir fry till soft. Smelling so good. Add in some sesame oil. Add in the prawns. Do a quick mix. Add in the light and dark soya sauce. Do use only 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce if the dark soya sauce you use tend to make the food darker. Mix thoroughly. Add in some white pepper. Throw in the glass noodles. Next, pour in the chicken stock. Move the noodles to the bottom and below the stock level. The aim is to get all the noodles to soak up all the delicious sauce. Now add in the clams. Leave the clams on top. This will prevent the clams from overcooking. Cover the lid. Simmer for about 7 to 8 minutes. Smells delicious already. Now add in the scallops. Cover the lid and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Wow, looking good. Check that the scallops are opaque. Turn off heat and add in the garnishing. Voila, and you are done. Serve hot. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. To receive notifications for more creative and simple home-cooked food, please subscribe to my channel.